Hey guys, it's the DJ. Let's give you a look at the garden here. There you go. Look, I've got some little peppers in there. Got several red maters here. And here's some more tomatoes. I need to get it watered. It's a hot and dry day today. Hot and dry. We're getting all the rain north of us, up in Milwaukee and Wisconsin. So there you go. There's some more tomatoes. Look at those. These are doing pretty well. The summer hasn't been too bad. We've gotten just enough rain to get by. Here's some more green peppers over here. Look at these, are growing pretty well. Look at that in there. So let's talk about plants. Today was a down day. Get those days. You get them. No matter what you do, you get a down day. Let me get this camera set up for you guys. It's just pulling the numbers. And didn't sell anything today. Just the market looks like it just went sideways today. Where did it end? I didn't do anything today. Did not do anything. And yeah, it was down 11 points. I lost like $1,500 today. Just ran my statement on Fidelity right there. $1,500 somewhere. There you go, negative $1,500. Just kind of hanging on. Yesterday I sold some advanced micro devices, maybe 100 shares. Bought some NVIDIA, another 200 shares of NVIDIA. Just kind of floating it right now. I'm waiting for the Palo Alto Network's earnings report on the 18th. I believe close the market. We'll see what happens there. And we're hanging on to Lilly. Lilly was up $23 today. We got ourselves about 100 shares, actually 150 shares of Eli Lilly. That was down like $160. So we're gonna let that come back over a couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks, and I think we might make at least $75 a share on that, if not more. So we're hanging on to that, I was also surprised the other day. I had a CD I needed to renew, and it was a 30-day CD. I had 4.2% on it, and just renewed it after a month and got 4.35. 4.35, pretty nice. I thought it would already be discounted because of what's going on with the Fed, but with today's PPI announcement that inflation's running a little hot, you're starting to see the speculation that the Fed may just not do anything come September, which I think is September 16th and 17th is their next meeting, and everyone's focused on that right now. So there you go. CDs, the Fed. What else can we talk about? Let's talk about precious metals a little bit. Precious metals they're kind of stable. They're just floating. Gold finished at $33.82, down 25 bucks. Silver is at 38.04, down 50 cents today. They're just hovering. Gold and silver is hovering. I'm hearing from the intrawebs that there's more sellers than buyers right now in precious metals. There's coin shops and bullion dealers and stuff out there saying 90 of their sales are people selling gold and silver back for cash, which brings us to the economy. I mean, the stock market's going gangbusters, right? The last couple of weeks, last couple of months, but you know, as we try to say all the time, the stock market and the economy are two separate things. two separate things. They're not the same. Sometimes they fire off on the same cylinder, sometimes they don't. I think what we're seeing now is our economy continues to sputter a little bit. You're seeing companies lay more and more people off. People are going through their cash, and thus they're doing things like selling their gold and silver to get some money so they can pay off some of their bills, their real estate taxes, their whatever, improvements to their home, college for their kids. They need to make their deposits on that and all that good stuff. So precious metals, people are selling and they're not buying as much. I'm getting emails from SD Bullion. That's where I do most of my business. Check them out on the intrawebs. Once again, we're not giving financial advice. We're just telling you what's happening here. Last week they sent me an email. It was for existing customers. It was Britannia silver 1 ounce coins at spot price. Today I got something from them. If you bought 40 pieces, that's 40 pieces of silver, you got spot. Otherwise it was like 79 cents over spot. Normally their best rate's like $1.99 or something. So they brought it down to 75%. I'm thinking about maybe buying some more. But there you go. That's where precious metals are just hovering. So if you're in the market for some precious metals, now might be a good time to buy. Now might be a good time to buy before it. I really think silver is going to be at 40 here in another month or two. So it's taking a little break. It's taking a breather, and it's going to be at $40 before you know it. So. And gold too. Gold's taking a breather. It's hovering around. What was it? What was gold? Gold's hovering around the 3,400, within 50 bucks up or below that. It's at 38.82 right now, or 33.82. Excuse me, 33.82. So gold's been hovering for like the last week around 34 and change. Above and below that. So it seems like we're in the doldrums of the summer. People are getting ready to go back to school, and things are slowing down a little bit. And I don't know where the market's going. We'll see. Today it just was down. It came back, and then it just ran out of gas. So yesterday it was a miracle. Yesterday was way up there. I was up 500 points yesterday, and we made some money yesterday. On a normal day like that, we make anywhere from $38,000 to $5,000 with our current portfolio. On a good day, we can make, like last Friday, we made like, geez, we made $18,000, my friends. $18,000. That's when it's hitting on all cylinders. Like today, like 85% of our holdings were down. Only a couple of them were up. What was up? Nvidia was up today, and American Express, and Google, maybe. Google. That's it. Three things out of like 12. So the rest of the stuff was down just a little bit. So we lost 1,500 bucks. That's nothing. That is nothing. That is a good day to me. That is a good day to me. What matters is where we're at the end of the month, and that's where we're headed. So hope you're having a good week. Tomorrow's Friday. We'll see what the market does tomorrow. Like, share, subscribe for DJ Stocks here as we continue to show you what we're doing, how we're doing it, and letting you guys make some more of your own money. Moolah, that's what it's all about, my friends. You got to make money for retirement, and that's what we're teaching you here. So over and out, it's DJ Stocks. Thank you very much.